संजय कपूर के निधन के बाद उनकी पत्नी प्रिया सचदेव कपूर एक बड़े कानूनी झगड़े में फंसी हुई हैं। मामला संजय की लगभग 30,000 करोड़ रुपए की प्रॉपर्टी से जुड़ा है। और वहीं बता दें कि करिश्मा कपूर और संजय के बच्चे समायरा और कियान ने दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट में केस दर्ज किया। उनका आरोप है कि उनकी सौतेली मां प्रिया ने संजय कपूर की वसीयत में बदलाव किया। आपको बता दें, इन विवादों के बीच प्रिया सचदेव कपूर ने हाल ही में पहली बार पब्लिकली अपीयरेंस दी। उन्होंने दिल्ली के ताज पैलेस में आयोजित ऑटोमोटिव कंपोनेंट मैन्युफैक्चरर्स एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया के सालाना इवेंट में हिस्सा लिया। इस दौरान उनकी कई तस्वीरें सोशल मीडिया पर वायरल हो गई। वहीं बता दें कि जहां पर प्रिया को ACMA की 2025 और 2026 एग्जीक्यूटिव कमेटी में भी शामिल किया गया। ये पद उनके करियर के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है, ये क्योंकि यह इंडस्ट्री के टॉप फॉर्म में उनकी ऑफिशियल एंट्री को दिखाता है। तो वही बता दीजिए, करिश्मा कपूर के बच्चों का कहना है कि उनके पिता ने हमेशा उन्हें हिस्सेदारी का भरोसा दिया था, लेकिन आखिरी वसीयत में उनका नाम कुछ नहीं था। बच्चों के साथ संजय की मां और बहन ने भी इस वसीयत पर सवाल उठाए। बच्चों का आरोप है कि प्रिया सचदेव कपूर ने 21 मार्च को तैयार की गई वसीयत को 30 जुलाई को फैमिली मीटिंग में पेश किया। इसी कारण यह मामला कोर्ट तक पहुंच गया।
I'm very happy about it because finally the family will know something and have some knowledge about anything really.
So, sir, ma'am, do you believe this order will bring more transparency to the ongoing estate dispute?
I'm hoping it will. If I believe in the justice system in India, so I'm hoping it will bring more clarity, more visibility, and more transparency to everything that's gone.
Karishma Kapoor children also made some allegations that there are suspicious circumstances around the will. What is your view on these claims, ma'am?
I stand by them because I do not think if anyone knows the relationship they have had with their father, and for their father not to have them a part of the will is it just doesn't add up. It doesn't make sense. So I stand by them.
Ma'am, your mother Rani Kapoor told the court that she has been left with nothing from the trust she helped set up. How do you respond to her concern?
My mother did not help set up the trust. She is still, and she has, from when my father passed away to now, since my brother passed away, within the 10 years has lost everything. So we want to still know where it's gone, how it's gone. We're still asking for answers and we're getting nothing.
Ma'am, do you see any possibility of patch up within the family and dispute within the rift, ma'am?
I don't know. I honestly, when I was asked this question last time, I said yes if we're shown everything. I think right now there's a lot of answers that are needed. There's a lot of questions that I think all of us have at this point, because earlier on it was just mom. Now it's the kids involved. It's all of us. Now everyone wants answers. I think unless we don't have answers and we don't have a sit down and be able to ask the questions and get clarity on answers and no hiding and no, hiding stuff and covering up stuff. And unless it's an open field, I don't think we're going to be able to do anything.
Ma'am, how do you see the 1,900 crore rupees offered to the Karishma Kapoor's children? It was now told to the court also.
It was told by their side. Let's see it. Again, the kids are only asking, Karishma is only asking, mom's only asking for clarity, for transparency. We're not asking for what is not our right. It's the right of this family to have. Please don't forget, this is all, my dad created all this. My dad created it.
बाकी की तमाम ऐसी अपडेट जानने के लिए बने रहिए हमारे साथ, देखते रहिए नेक्स्ट टाइम लाइव।